Hi, my name is Michael. So I will give you troubleshooting of if extruder motor doesn't work. So the main reason is the temperature should be above 175 degrees, and then the extruder motor can work. So if we check the screw LCD, the temperature is below 175. We go ahead, prepare, move axis, point 1, extruder, it does move if we push. So what we need to do is to increase temperature. We increase that to 175 above. Right now is 190. So we go ahead, prepare, move axis, point 1, extrude, we can check it. See, you move it. Let me check. Alright, see, it works. It works. So what you need to do is double check the temperature to make sure it's 175 degrees. If it doesn't work, you need to change to E1. This solution I will give you in next slide. Thank you for watching.